Hello everyone. Now I'm going to showcase how I used Roo Code, which is an extension in VS Code to help generate a simple game, tic-tac-toe game. So first I started by asking it to create a full stack application and maybe preferably a game. So what it does is like started creating the HTML files and all other files, CSS and JavaScript files, and you can see the code here initially and the logic for the game as well. And after that it told that it has created it. Now I got an error and I asked it, and at the same time I asked it to create a more complex game. So now it came up with tic-tac-toe. I will show you that also. So this is the HTML code for it, and the CSS as well, in JavaScript. This is the code for the game tic-tac-toe. So this is now they successfully created the tic-tac-toe game. Next I asked how does the game work. So it took all the files and then explain the structure of each file, of which function does what. So the first HTML function, I told that it links to styling page and the script page. Container object, heading 1, board div, data index attributes, message paragraph, reset button, which all contains in HTML. Same goes with CSS file where it explains how it created the styling, and the script.js. So how it defined the game state variables, handling click functions, result evaluations, switching player and resetting game. So it clearly explained and also explained how the game works, like how we play the game. We make sure the player only wins when they get their 3 marks in a row, a column, or a diagonal. So this gave it also gave a very good explanation. So in this way, we can use Roo Code extension to create full stack apps. So this is my demo. Thank you.